1. 8:15. Good time. Service good. We boarded the 8:15 a.m. boat on Sunday, and the lights along the river were absolutely beautiful, and we were able to get a good view of the Dragon Bridge fires. Have a ride on the ferry. It takes around 40 minutes to go along the Han River. Very nice view along the Han River with a lot of LED lights decorations. Worth for the money paid, free flow of local beer. Best for beer lover. Tips: go up early 30 minutes to get the front seat to have the unobstructed view. I managed to snag a buy one get one free deal, so I simply showed the QR code to get a paper ticket. The 8:15 p.m. ferry offers a view of the Dragon Bridge and number 39's fire display, highly recommended. This relaxing journey allows you to leisurely cruise on the sea for just 55 Hong Kong dollars. 40. To see the 9 p.m. Dragon Bridge fire show, you need to book the 8:15 a.m. train. It was a quiet and peaceful Han River cruise. I have been on several Da Nang cruises, but this was the calmest and best for my family. If you are traveling independently with your family, I highly recommend it. It is convenient to get off across from Novotel. It and number 39's great value for money, and I love the river view while enjoying the breeze. It and number 39's perfect for taking a break from your travels and gazing at the river. I highly recommend it. Namuna cho un kasang pia ang yun jo non monta chimnita. It was so good, it was the best night ever. The Cham dance started and it was wonderful. We were able to take commemorative photos with the Cham dancers after the dance. The night view of Da Nang reflected on the Han River, making it even more beautiful. We could see the colorful night view typical of Vietnam, as well as the landmarks Sun World Ferris Wheel, Dragon Bridge, and Lovelock Bridge. Fruit and bottled water were served, and the service was great. Customers from all over the world were participating. I had some time in the evening, so I participated alone. The time wasn't and number 39 too long, and the night view was beautiful. It included all you can drink drinks and a fruit platter, so I think it was worth more than the price. I and number 39 am glad I participated.